Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a highlight on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then towards the middle of your profile, you'll see all your highlights. And to edit a highlight, long press on it and select Edit Highlight. Now from here, you can remove stories in that highlight by unchecking them. Like this one, I'm gonna uncheck this second photo, and that will be removed from that highlight. You can also add more stories to your highlight by clicking at Stories and checking the stories that you want to add to that highlight. When you go back to Selected tab, the selection is now updated. You can also edit the name of the highlight. So you can edit this text field. Let me just change it to this sunflower. And then you can also change the cover, either by choosing among the stories in your highlight, or you can also choose from your camera roll. And click Done once you're done. And then click Done again. And in your profile, your highlight is now updated. And that's how you can easily edit a profile on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!